Look at the parade of kayakers heading out. Well, so this is Pictured Rocks. It is beautiful, but is also very touristy and very crowded.
It was the weekend, but we hoped that the rain would scatter people like rats.
Yeah. Yeah, I guess to be fair, it's Saturday, so it should be crowded probably, but still just kind of overwhelming and not as fun. So we're gonna head straight to our campsite, which has a beach, and hopefully there's a hike there that goes to a lighthouse, which should be fun, and hopefully it'll be less crowded there because it's not a big viewpoint or popular area, we think.
We'll see.
Anyways, onward to there. So we got another tiny little tool for the camper, a spiralizer. What does it do? Well, it turns zucchini and squash into noodles. Pretty awesome. I'm whipping up some noodles in low sodium veggie broth with a little miso, and Tara is in the camper working on a sauce. Alright, we're heading out on a trail to the beach from our campground, and maybe to a lighthouse. Ribbit. So we're currently on the North Country Trail again, hiking to the lighthouse. Check out this part of the bank. It completely fell down. And it's almost sunset. It's beautiful, except for those cones. What's this? What's this? There's building on the road. What's this? What's this? Is it an abode? I should also say that this is partially a spruce fir forest. And if you've ever been on the AT, this smells exactly like Vermont or Maine. It's really nice. Or it kind of smells like Christmas. If any of you have ever read Annihilation or the Southern Reach trilogy by Jeff Vandermeer, this is giving me very strong Annihilation vibes, and it's pretty cool. Also, we saw a rabbit back there, so that kind of ties in too. I could live here. Well, it's a little dark, but tomorrow we'll be heading over there to the dunes. Check out this wall they built. It's pretty cool. We had a really nice stay at the, what is it, Hurricane River Campground.
What is it?
This place. But we have to be out by 11. So we're departing.
It's like 10:58. We stayed as long as we could.
Yeah. It was a nice, relaxing stay. We mostly just read books and hung out.
That's not true. Last night we went all the way to the lighthouse. We had an adventure.
After that, yeah. Anyways. This looks like a giant AT shelter. Except most AT shelters don't have old-fashioned logging equipment. These wheels are huge.
That's apocalyptic down there. It's like you're in a different world. It's awesome.
So this is the log slide, which is a really steep chute down the dunes where they used to run logs out to the water. And yesterday at sunset we were at that lighthouse. You can just barely see it there. And if we look eastward, there are the Sable Dunes. They're huge. It's beautiful. All right, we were getting a little overwhelmed by all of the people and all of the kind of drive to one spot, stop, hike for a quarter mile, look at a site, and just repeat that all day. So we just booked it east. We're close to Whitefish Point right now, which is kind of, I'll show you on a map, it's kind of this top right little area before you start to head down towards Mackinac City. And we're on a beach. There's not many people around, if anyone, and we've got a nice little free campsite. And we're gonna stay here maybe for 2 days and just relax and not be around people for a while and have a beach to ourselves. I'll show you around in a little bit. That's the news. Got the beach all to ourselves.
really getting into the mangoes lately. And I got a little baby monkey waiting for the next piece.
Man, go on.
What the heck? Dang, look how beautiful and slightly bloody these beets look. I've got in a little bit of veggie broth because we're trying to use less, actually no oil, which is very strange to try and cook without, so we'll see.
There's a big old rabbit in the road. I haven't seen a rabbit that big since the desert. It's huge. Another night, another sunset. Look at the levitating ship. Actually, that's where we'll be headed next, over to Sioux Locks. We had a really nice 2.5 days, almost 3 days at that beach.
We had 3 nights.
3 nights?
I think.
We had a really nice 3 nights at that beach campsite, and it was just super relaxing. Not a lot of people around. We had the beach mostly to ourselves most times. Really good sunsets, mostly. I edited 1.5 videos. Yeah, we didn't take a lot of footage because we were just relaxing and enjoying the slow pace of things and really just cooking meals, editing, and swimming at the beach. A lot of people think that road life or van life or truck camper life, whatever you want to call it, is like a new place every night and you're exploring all these crazy things and driving all the time. But for me, the joy is in taking your time and like going to one place and exploring it fully and just absorbing yourself there rather than moving every night. It can be kind of stressful to try to find a new campsite every night and set up and take down, and you're using a lot of gas that way. So I think the most fun part for me is finding a cool place to stay and relax for a while and really get to know the area. This trip was a little more hectic than most because we had a lot of places we want to see and we have a short window of time while we're up here. But it was nice to have this break in the middle to kind of let us rejuvenate before we're back on the road.
Yeah, I felt like our shoulders lowered for the first time in a little while. You just notice it after a while, so when I got to the beach, it was very grounding and enjoyable.
Yeah.